Alright, so we are going to do question number 3. You have to find distance between P and Q. Distance between P, which is x1 comma y1, and Q, which is x2 y2, when PQ is parallel to x-axis. This is part 1. So let us see when a line is parallel to x-axis, what happens. Let this be x and y axis, and P and Q are 2 points such that PQ is parallel to x-axis. If PQ is parallel to x-axis, then this distance does not changes. So if P is x1 comma y1, it means this distance is x1 and this distance is y1. And if Q is x2 comma y2, it means this horizontal distance is x2 and vertical distance is y2. Very clearly from figure we can see that when PQ is parallel to x-axis, when PQ is parallel to x-axis, then y1 is equal to y2. The vertical distance are same. So applying the formula for distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now as y2 is equal to y1, we'll put the value. So we have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y1 minus y1 whole square, because y1 is equal to y2. So this becomes 0. What do we have in square root? We have x2 minus x1 whole square. So whenever we have a format under root of m square, the answer is always modulus m, because square root will never give negative answer. So the answer is mod of x2 minus x1. Now the other part of this question says, what is the distance when PQ is parallel to y-axis? If PQ is parallel to y-axis, the figure must be like this. So if this point is P and this point is Q, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So this x1 y1 means this is x1 and this whole is y1, and x2 y2 means again horizontal distance is x2 and vertical distance is y2. Very clearly, when the line is parallel to y-axis, the horizontal distance are same in both the cases. So x1 is equal to x2 as line is parallel to y-axis. तो अब अगर मैं डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगाऊंगा, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square तो इसमें x1 इज इक्वल टू x2 डाल सकता हूँ, यानी ये बना x1 माइनस x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 minus y1 whole square, which this becomes 0. So we have square root of y2 minus y1 whole square. As distance can never be negative, square root can never give negative value. So the answer is modulus of y2 minus y1. So this can be also remembered as a direct result. You can note down and ask if you have any doubt. Next question कहता है find a point on x-axis which is equidistant distant from 7 comma 6. We have 2 points, one is 7 comma 6 and 3 comma 4. Now any point on x-axis, if we are talking about any point on x-axis, then it will be of the form x comma 0. So let point on x-axis be, you can take x comma 0 or you can take a comma 0, m comma 0, whatever you like. Now distance between this point and 7 comma 6, any distance between a0 and 7 6, this distance d1 is equal to the distance between a0 and 3 4. You can apply distance formula right away, that is 7 minus a whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square is equal to 3 minus a whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Squaring both sides, we can remove the square roots. So we have 7 minus a whole square. Opening this whole square, we have 49 plus a square minus 14a plus 6 whole square means 36. Similarly, opening whole square here, we have 9 plus a square minus 6a. Opening 4 square, we get 16. A square cancels out with a square. 49 plus 36 gives you 85 minus 14a is equals to 25 minus 6a. So 85 minus 25 is equal to minus 6a plus 14a. So we have 60 is equal to 80. A comes out to be 60 by 8. If we solve it further, divide by 2 or divide by 4, we get 15 upon 2. Do not leave your answer here, as the final answer is point on x-axis. Point on x-axis will become, as it was a comma 0, so we'll write 15 by 2 comma 0. So this is question number 4 from exercise 10.1.